We are going to delete your PayPal account permanently. First, open your web browser or the PayPal app and sign in to your profile. Before you click anything, there is a massive catch you need to know about. Closing your account is completely permanent. Once it is gone for good, and you lose the ability to see any of your transaction history or past invoices. If you ever need that information for taxes or receipts in the future, you will not be able to get it back. So make sure you download your past statement data right now before proceeding. There are also a few things that will completely block you from shutting things down. You must check your balance and transfer any remaining funds out to your bank account, because your balance has to be exactly zero. If you have any pending payments, open disputes, or active limitations on your profile, PayPal will freeze the process, so you need to resolve those issues first. The important thing is to also look at your pre-approved payments. If you have automatic subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify linked to this PayPal account, you need to log into those separate websites and change your payment method first, or those services will cut you off. Now, let us look at the actual buttons you need to click. If you are using a desktop computer, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon to open your settings menu. Once that page loads, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the Account Options section. You will see a blue text link that says, "Close your account." Click on that link. In my case, it asks for a quick confirmation and might send a security text code to your phone to verify your identity. Type in that code and click the Final Confirmation button. If you are following along on a mobile phone instead, open up the official PayPal app. Tap directly on your profile avatar icon, which sits in the top corner of the screen. Scroll straight down through the menu options until you find where it says Close Your Account. Tap that option and follow the quick identity check prompts to finish the process. For those using a business profile, the layout might look slightly different, so you may need to click through Account Info or Profile Settings first to find the exact same button. Once you click that final confirmation, you will be instantly logged out and your account is destroyed. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.